I don't know any other nutrient company out there that has generations of nutrients. So I'm actually curious, like, what was Gen 1, JJ, and kind of going into the generation 7 to 8? Let's talk about that.
All the nutrient companies, when they first jumped in, when this thing was in its infancy, had just selected other crops, whether that be tomatoes or peppers, whatever it was. They just took that and tried to apply it to cannabis, but there wasn't really information looking at leaf tissue tests to see what cannabis wanted, at what phases, and how that shifted. So we did a lot of work with BC University up in Canada.
Okay.
A bunch of different strains, and actually looked at what the plant was trying to draw up at different phases, because that does change. Obviously, you got your veg, then you're going to have early bloom, mid bloom, and then you're going to have late bloom. What the plant is demanding at those times drastically shifts, and we didn't feel anybody was actually addressing that. But they had a team of scientists that did figure that out. So that was Gen 1. And then since then, there's been advancements, incremental advances along the way. And to really announce a whole new generation, what we did is we have a genomics team, we have a nursery, we have a pretty large research team, some chemists, a couple labs. We sat down and went back to square one, looked at literally everything. Let's break this down. That's what the 8th gen did, is to just really take every single aspect of it, try to compress it, try to address the problem, and address it in a way, or the issue or opportunity, in a way that hasn't been done before. That process is realistically 5 years beginning to end to do that. Now, there'll be some discoveries that come along the way, but 5 years beginning to end to actually make a generation. And Advanced Nutrients is the only company I've seen that's actually putting that investment in.
Yeah.